Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 429. The number 429 is a mix of the vibrations and effects of the numbers 4, 2, and 9. Number 4 is about being honest and having integrity, being practical and using what you know, working hard and taking responsibility, having traditional values, having inner wisdom, and working hard and being determined to reach your goals. The number 4 also has something to do with our drive, passion, and purpose, as well as the archangels. Balance and harmony, duality and adaptability, devotion, duty and service, adaptability, diplomacy, and working together are all things that come with the number 2. Number 2 is also about faith and trust, as well as your soul mission and divine life purpose. Number 9 is connected to being a good example, to light workers and light work, to philanthropy and humanism, to solving problems, to kindness and generosity, and to endings and conclusions. The universal spiritual laws are also linked to the number 9. Angel number 429 is a sign that your faith in the spiritual and angelic worlds has opened doors for you that will help you on your path. Take advantage of these chances with confidence and the knowledge that they have come your way for a reason or reasons. Your angels want you to pay attention to your gut feelings and keep going on your path with passion and enthusiasm. Angel number 429 is a sign that the angels are there to help and guide you on your soul journey and life path. You have been determined and hardworking in your daily tasks and light working, and you have paid attention to what the angels have told you. Have faith and trust that everything in your life will work out as it should. Angel number 429 means that the angels are helping you find your place in the world and start a spiritual career or practice. Listen to your intuition to find out what the next steps are in your light worker life purpose. Your hard work will pay off in the long run. Angel number 429 could also mean that an event, project, situation, or circumstance is coming to an end or coming to a close. If a situation or relationship ends, it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you or that you're less valuable. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.